So this is the artwork on the new Wheels Fun Park in Durham. I can't skate a lick. I wish I could because it's really good exercise. But I heard the tickets for tomorrow's grand opening is sold out. Look at that joy, black joy. Look, you know, I'm wondering what kind of accommodations for people in wheelchairs can get on the skate floor. I want to know what that looks like. Wow. You're on your way to good things. Oh yeah, young people, they need all the safety equipment. Check him out, he chilling, he chilling, he chilling. Like the stars and sprinkles. Skating is for everybody, young, old, and in between. It's all about Durham.